Chinese medicine, or TCM, has a history of thousands of years. Today, the medical system takes up a major part of the country's pharmaceutical market. But people are not only beneficiaries, as TCM veterinarians have also been gaining popularity in major cities, using old methods to give pets a new lease on life.
Guo Guo, an 8-year-old poodle suffering from a lumbar injury, is receiving its acupuncture therapy. This typical TCM method, as part of the conservative treatment, is expected to ease the pain.
I haven't seen bark for a few days after treatment. I feel the effect is positive. Surgery would take 4 or 5 visits and cost more than 100,000 yuan. This method is more cost-effective and less risky than Western medicine.
Mr. Li is one of many pet owners who come to the TCM vet. The clinic features treatments like acupuncture and use of herbal medicines, primarily treating diseases such as paralysis, nerve damage, and diarrhea.
The TCM veterinary practice emphasizes a holistic view and dialectics, which best suits the diagnosis and treatment for individual pet cases.
But there are also challenges.
It is not easy when it comes to these animals that are more silent and less cooperative than usual. So it requires vets to flexibly apply whatever therapeutical methods they command when treating them with traditional Chinese medicine.
Animals, mainly livestock, have received TCM treatments for centuries in China. But demand for TCM veterinarians focusing on pets is recent.
Due to the developing coexistence of humans and animals, the disease spectrum is constantly changing. This requires us to accumulate clinical experience and adjust treatment direction according to new theories.
Burgeoning demand has also created a talent gap. But even though developed countries like the US are sector leaders, Dr. Ling, who also engages in training, says Chinese institutes are catching up.
On one hand, we should pass on to students what we have inherited from our ancestors. On the other, we should also pay attention to the integration of Chinese and Western medicine with international standards.
Innovations in technology enable more accurate TCM diagnosis, which used to rely on observing, listening, questioning, and feeling the pulse. As TCM veterinary practice gains popularity in China, experts say they are confident the field in China will soon align with global standards. Feng Yilei, CGTN, Beijing.